Hello, I'm Nivedita, founder of Resilient Minds Hub and a mindset coach for civil services aspirant. For over 12 years, I have mentored hundreds of students in preparation journey, not just academically, but mentally, emotionally, and energetically. Because here is the truth nobody tells you. It's not the syllabus that breaks you, it's the stress, self doubt, and emotional roller coaster of this long journey. And that's where I come in. On this channel, I will teach you how to train your brain like a high performer using a powerful blend of neuroscience backed strategies, ancient Indian wisdom. Start with this free series, Brain Performance Mastery, and watch your clarity, confidence, and focus shift within these days. And if you are serious about going deeper, book a one-to-one strategy call with me. In just 30 minutes, we will uncover what's blocking your performance and create a clear plan to reset your mind. Hit a subscribe, watch the full playlist. All the links are in the description. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you believe some people are just naturally focused than others? That they were born with it and you weren't? If yes, I have got the news for you. Focus is not a gift, it's a muscle. And like any muscle, if you train it, it grows. And if you ignore it, it weakens. Let me show you how. Today, civil services aspirants are not struggling with intelligence. They are struggling with focus. You sit to study, your phone pings, your mind wanders, and before you know it, an hour is gone. Why? Because you have trained your brain for distraction. Yes, trained. What you repeat becomes your reflex. Here's the science behind it. Your brain has something called neuroplasticity. It means your brain can rewire itself based on what you do repeatedly. If you check your phone every 10 minutes, your brain learns this is normal and let's keep doing it. But if you train it to stay on task for 20, 30 or even 40 minutes, it learns that too. There is also a filter in your brain called the reticular activating system or RAS. Think of it as your brain's bouncer. It only lets in what you have told that it is important. If you train it to value short videos, social media and scrolling, that's what it will focus on. But if you have retrained it to value silence, depth and study, it will support you. Your brain follows your instructions. You just have to give it the right ones. Do you remember the story of Arjun and the bird's eye? When Guru Dronacharya asked all his students, what do you see? One said the tree, another said the branch, another said the bird. But Arjun said, I see only the eye of the bird. That's focus. Complete attention on your target. No noise, no distractions. That's the kind of attention civil services preparation demands, and it's 100% trainable. Think of a focus like building a bicep. You don't go to the gym once and expect the results. You train it again and again with the small repetitions. Your focus works the same way. Every time you bring your attention back to the book, back to the pages, back to your goal, you are doing a mental repetition. And the repetition builds muscles. So don't chase motivation. Build discipline through repetition. Here is your practical takeaway for today. Start with a method called Pomodoro technique. It's very simple. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Work with full focus. No phones, no multitasking. And after 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this 4 times. Then take a longer break. That's it. Your brain will slowly adjust. Focus will become a pattern and distraction will lose its power. Even 15-20 minutes of deep work is better than 2 hours of distracted study. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Focus is not about intensity, it's about repetition. So today, stop telling yourself, I can't concentrate, and start saying, I am training my brain one repetition at a time. And in the next video, we will dive into beautiful brain performance videos, so your brain doesn't get hijacked by stress or overwhelm. Until then, keep doing your repetitions. And remember, your brain is listening. Thank you.